Good morning students, class 10 chapter number 9 application of trigonometry. In the previous video we discussed about line of sight, angle of elevation and angle of depression. So now start chapter number 9 exercise. First question. In the first question we draw a figure in which it is given that a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole. In this figure, BC, which is a horizontal line, represent a ground. AB is a vertical line which represent a pole. BC represent a ground. AB, which is a vertical line, represent a pole. And AC represent rope, जिसको वर्टिकल टावर के पोल के टॉप और ग्राउंड से बांधा गया है. And it is given that length of the rope is 20 meter, and it is also given that the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. rope ग्राउंड लेवल के साथ जो एंगल क्रिएट करेगी विच इज गिवन 30 डिग्री. सो दिस एंगल इज 30 डिग्री एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट हाइट ऑफ द पोल. So we have to find out height of the pole. We have to find out h. Now it is a triangle ABC in which we observe that in triangle ABC angle B is equal to 90 degree, in which we observe that the angle which is given 30 degree, we suppose that theta, and the side opposite to given angle is considered as perpendicular. So perpendicular is equal to h, and the side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is equal to 20 meter. Now we have to find out a trigonometric ratio in which we consider P and H, and obviously the relation is sin theta. Sin theta is equal to P upon H. Now put the value. Sin 30 degree is equal to H upon 20. What is the value of sin 30 degree? 1 by 2 is equal to H by 20, and after cross multiply 2h is equal to 20 and h is equal to 10 meter. So height of the pole equal to 10 meter. I hope the first question is clear. Just note down. Now we continue question number 2. In the question number 2, a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends. In this question we discuss about a tree. So firstly we draw a horizontal line which represent a ground, and we draw a vertical line which represent a tree. In which AB is a tree and BC is a ground. A tree breaks due to storm. जो ट्री है ये स्टॉर्म के कारण ब्रेक हो जाता है, एंड द ब्रोकन पार्ट बेंड्स. इट्स मीन ये ट्री का कुछ पार्ट ब्रेक हो जाता है. सपोज इट इज द पॉइंट वेयर ट्री ब्रेक्स एंड इट इज द ब्रोकन पार्ट, और ये ब्रोकन पार्ट बेंड्स मुड़ जाता है, सो दैट टॉप ऑफ द ट्री टचेस द ग्राउंड. So we can say that ये जो ब्रोकन पार्ट है ये बेंड हुआ लाइक दिस, और ये जो टॉप है ट्री का वो ग्राउंड को टच करने लगा. So it is the position of the broken part. एंड मेकिंग एंगल 30 डिग्री विद इट, और ये ग्राउंड के साथ 30 डिग्री का एंगल क्रिएट करता है। द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द फुट ऑफ द ट्री, इट इज द फुट ऑफ द ट्री टू द पॉइंट वेयर द टॉप टचेस द ग्राउंड इज 8 मीटर, यानी कि ट्री का फुट और वो पॉइंट जहां पर पेड़ ग्राउंड को टच करता है, द डिस्टेंस इज 8 मीटर। सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट हाइट ऑफ द ट्री। हमें ट्री की हाइट कंसीडर करनी है, एंड A to B, it is the height of the tree, but the position of the part is now in this position. So we find out x, and after this we find out y, and sum of both is considered as height of the tree. So in this question we can say that BC represent a ground which is a horizontal line. AB represent a tree. DE is a broken part of a tree. Broken part of tree. So we consider triangle DBE. आपको हमेशा इन फिगर्स में रेक्टेंगल ट्रायंगल ही कंसीडर करना है। सो ट्रायंगल DBE, इन दिस ट्रायंगल थीटा इज इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री। According to this angle we can say that it is perpendicular. Perpendicular is equal to x, hypotenuse is y, and the base is 8 meter. So firstly we find out x. So we have to find out a trigonometric ratio in which perpendicular and base both are considered. And obviously the trigonometric ratio is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Put the value tan 30 degree is equal to x upon 8. What is the value of tan 30 degree? Yes, tan 30 degree value is 1 upon under root 3, and after calculation x is equal to 8 upon under root 3 meter. Now we have to find out y. So we consider a trigonometric ratio in which base and hypotenuse both are considered. We just note down x equal to 8 upon under root 3 meter. Base and hypotenuse both are considered in the trigonometric ratio cos theta. So cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Now put the value. Cos 30 degree is equal to 8 upon y. What is the value of cos 30 degree? Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2, which is equal to cos 30 degree. So root 3 by 2 is equal to 8 upon y. And after cross multiply under root 3, y is equal to 16. So y equal to 16 upon under root 3 meter. Now we have to find out height of the tree. Height of the tree. It is the right part of the tree and it is the broken part of the tree. So sum of both is considered as height of the tree. So height of the tree is equal to 8 upon under root 3 plus 16 upon under root 3. We take under root 3 as a LCM, and 8 plus 16 is 24. Now rationalize the denominator, multiply by root 3 in numerator and denominator both. So it is 24 under root 3 multiply under root 3. So 24 under root 3 upon 3. So answer is 8 under root 3 meter. So it is the height of the tree. I hope question number 1 and question number 2 both are clear. Just note down. In the next video we continue chapter number 9. Thank you.